Hi, I'm Shane, and this is another Dekiru English Academy slideshow. Boom, 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 boom. So, last time we did be verbs. Do you remember? I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is, everybody is, nobody is, somebody is. And we also did action verbs. Jump, run, hide, cook, many things. So, let's do some conjugating with some pronouns. I jump, you jump. Oh, there you are, jumping. We jump, they jump. But he jumps, she jumps, it jumps, everybody jumps, nobody jumps, somebody jumps. Okay? One more time. I jump, you jump, we jump, they jump. He jumps, she jumps, it jumps, everybody jumps, nobody jumps, somebody jumps. So do this with any verb, any action verb. For example, run. I run, you run, we run, they run. But he runs, she runs, it runs, everybody runs, nobody runs, somebody runs. Or, ooh, look at that. Climb. I climb, you climb, we climb, they climb. He climbs, she climbs, it climbs, everybody climbs, nobody climbs, somebody climbs. One more, hide. I hide, you hide, we hide, they hide. He hides, she hides, it hides, everybody hides, nobody hides, somebody hides. So basically, I, you, we, they do. I do, you do, we do, they do. He, she, it, everybody, nobody, somebody does. He does, she does, it does, everybody does, nobody does, somebody does. Okay, that's all for today. It's a short and easy lesson. Thank you, I'm Shane. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.